To make a calendar post, once you're logged into Finalsite, you're going to go to the icon of the four boxes on the left, and then you are going to click on Calendar Manager, which will open a new window. Then you can very quickly just click on New Event under Quick Links and then start to fill in the information. So you're definitely going to put an event name in here. I'll just throw in TEDx St. Francis. You can pick an event date. It can be an all-day event, or in this case, let's just go ahead and make it, give it a time. You can add an end time if you like. You don't need to though. I will add in the location here. I'm going to choose not to repeat the event. And then under attached to, you're going to go find the calendar. So we are using the Composer site for our calendars, and then you will just need to know which one you are going to. For TEDx, I would be going to student activities. So just the one, but you can find others. In the notes section here, this is where you can choose to put an image. You would click on the image icon and then browse. And then you'll have to navigate to the folder where you want to keep this. And you can always upload a new image if you don't already have it in here by clicking on upload files. So I'll skip that just for now, but that's there. And then you would click on OK, and then your image will show up in here. And then text to accompany the calendar event would go in here. So I could give some details in this case about TEDx in here, the time and all that sort of thing, place, tickets, whatever. And then at the end, I would go ahead and either save if I'm not ready to save, or I can save and publish. And then one final thing that we'd want to go ahead and do is it kicked me over here to the events side of things, and I'm going to just click on the event that I have selected to make sure that it is in fact in here in the right place. And then I'll just go ahead and save again.